Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Yes, don't be shocked, you read the title right. Today I'll be telling you how you can get the tea from the world's top tea brand for absolutely free online. But first let me tell you what is exactly TeaBox. Now I was finding some new green tea flavors to try online and came across this wonderful brand that is TeaBox. I've tried their many flavors and I personally love this brand to the bits. Now TeaBox, it is an Indian tea brand that sells teas and tea-based products sourced from Darjeeling, Assam, Nepal and Nilgiris. Now I've tried their 4 top flavors that I personally loved and will definitely try them every single time I prefer to go for the green tea. Now why you should try this brand? Because we all tend to have green tea for weight loss and having the same old flavor takes us aback a little bit always. So give this brand a try if you are looking for some new flavors for green teas, as they have tremendous amounts of flavors. For example, the oolong tea, the Darjeeling tea, the white tea, and my personal favorite, the detox tea. Now let me tell you my personal tea flavors that I've tried and loved the bits, and you must also try it. The first one being Bee Cleansed Detox Tea Box. Now it contains all the natural spices and all the natural goodness, that is star anise, adrak, that is ginger, holy basil and whatnot. So definitely try this tea and it definitely promotes weight loss. The second, my personal favorite, is the Kashmiri Kawa. If you love hills or Kashmir and dream of it every single day, then this tea is the best flavor for you. It contains kesar, dalchini, badam, long and elaichi. It tastes wonders. The third is the oolong tea. It is very refreshing and very natural and tastes if you try to replace your normal green tea with this tea. And the last one is the white tea. I tried this flavor as well and it completely surprised me with the flavor of it being the most yummiest flavor of all. Now coming to the point, how you can get these teas for free. Now I came across with this site called cashgrow.com. Now what you have to do is, the link will be in the description box below. Check it out. Click on the link and you will see a sign up option at the top right of the site. Click this sign up option and you will be redirected to a sign up page. Just fill this normal form and click on join with mail. Now you see this TeaBox option with 600 cashback. Click on this and then click on activate cashback. You have to do nothing and just click on this code. You will be redirected to the TeaBox site and choose your flavor from hundreds of flavors. Now once you shop for 600 rupees or more, you get a flat cashback of 600 rupees, which is transferable to your respective bank accounts. Isn't it amazing? Yes, I tried it personally myself and I got the cashback in my directly bank account. All you have to do is just sign up and press the activate cashback and you can get this tea for exactly free. Do try it and let me know how you found out these flavors. It will definitely help you to get some new flavors of green teas, and do try the detox tea as it will help you to lose weight fast very easily. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the steps and I'll be more than happy to help you. It is in no way a sponsored video. I personally love this brand and got the idea of getting it free from this site called cashgrow.com. So I thought, why not share it with my people? So here I am with the video. If you liked it, share it with your friends and family members as well. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button right now. Press the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I am on YouTube, as I share tremendous amounts of diet plans that are best for you to lose weight fast and top Indian superfoods as well. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.